Today we are doing fillers with the Vampire Facelift. So what that means is we're going to put some filler in our patient, and then we're going to put some platelets right underneath that filler. So as the filler starts to break down, her platelets are going to kick in, making new collagen, elastin, and fibrin. So it's a beautiful combination. So I have already put some numbing lidocaine right over here. And we're going to use a cannula, which I love to use all the time. And we're going to start with doing her cheeks. Can you feel here?
No.
So we're going to do it this way. And I like using a cannula with this procedure, especially because once I make a channel for the filler, then I can use that same channel for the platelets. And that you might hear behind me is the centrifuge spinning. So sorry if it's making some noise. So we're going to just kind of put some pressure going up. Ready? Up, up, up. Up we go. And a little bit more. You okay here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Awesome. And this will just help lift. You already have really pretty cheeks, but we're going to just lift her skin a little bit more by giving her some more structure up here. And tomorrow she'll be a little bit more swollen, but over the next couple of days that swelling will come down. Okay. You okay?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, cool. So let's do, you already have really nice cheeks to start, so I'm just gonna split one syringe between the two sides.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you turn a little towards me, perfect. And we're gonna go in right here. We can always add more, but I don't want you to look kooky by putting too much in.
Thank you.
Yeah, so no kookiness happening here. Okay, so now we're gonna go up this side. La 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 la. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. We're gonna go all the way up. Doing excellent. The nice thing about combining the platelets with doing the filler first is that there's lidocaine in the filler, and therefore when I inject the platelets, they're not going to be as stingy, because sometimes the platelets can be stingy. So we're going to just go like so. And a little bit more up high. Well, and let's come out and see how cute you are. You are so cute. Okay. Bring your chin down. Yeah, like that. Nice. So I'm gonna just work a little bit more on this side. Do you sleep on this side?
I did for many years.
Okay.
Now I kind of sleep on the other side, but I don't want to sleep on the other side.
You don't want to sleep on either side.
I know.
But it's hard. I know. I like to sleep on my side too. Sometimes I even sleep on my face, which is wrong. It's always bad to sleep on your face. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, and let's go back over on this side for just a little bit more. A little up high. Way up there. And just to smooth this. And I'm going to put some here to smooth this. Really cute. Okay, awesome. So our first step, and then I think I will put just a little bit right in here. So now we're going to do a little bit of filler a little farther down. Can you feel right there?
No.
Excellent. And the reason to do the filler first too is because you want to look great right this very second. You don't want to wait 3 months to look even better waiting for the platelets to kick in. So a lot of people will do the filler today, put the platelets in right after, and then again, as the filler breaks down over the course of a year or 2 years, the platelets have kicked in and you have formed some nice restructuring. So that's beautiful. Okay. We're going to go to the other side. I'm going to have you just turn to me. Can you feel here?
No.
Okay. Okay, going north. Here we go. All right. And these fillers, both the fillers, are made of hyaluronic acid, which is what we have in our skin to begin with, so we're not putting anything foreign in there. And you can reverse both of them with hyaluronidase, which we're not going to want to do anyway, but sometimes people are a little nervous with filler and they're afraid they're going to get too much. And if you feel like you've gotten too much at any point of hyaluronic acid fillers, you can reverse it. So haven't had anybody that wants to reverse our filler, but I've had to reverse other fillers before. Okay, so now I'm going to do a tiny bit down in here in these little hollows. So I'm going to still go with the same spot. Turn this way again. Okay, good. And using the cannula as I glide through your skin, I am irritating those skin cells a bit, which will kick them into high gear to make more collagen. So just the fact that we're using the cannula will help you make more collagen. There we go. Fill that little area a little bit, which will be nice. And then we're gonna put some platelets down there too. Okay, how you doing? You good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, awesome. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the platelets out. So hang tight for just a second. So now that we did her filler, we're gonna use her platelet-rich plasma, and we're gonna put it the same areas that we just were for her filler. Way up there. You okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Awesome. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some right in the back here, and we're going to go put some down in there, and we're going to go down in here. There we go. So we're going to go up where you have lidocaine again. Let's go do some there. Okay. And actually, we're going to do a little bit above your lip too. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit there. A little tiny bit there. Okay. Now we're doing the other side. So we're going to start up high again. Up there, way up there. You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Continue on downwards. And continue on downwards. Let's go into our other, go up where we did our filler into this spot. Now we're going to come around and do a little above the lip for those little lip lines. And we're going to come down here. Like that. Okay. Okay. And so we're going to keep on going downwards here to help fill in the little hollows here of the lower face. Okay. Beautiful. Is your Vampire Facelift. So filler and Vampire Facelift. So all of the platelets are going to absorb, and she's going to be left with the results of her filler. And then over the next 3 months, her body's going to make collagen where we put the PRP. And again, it's going to come over gradually. So she's going to have a really nice restructuring, a gradual restructuring of her entire face here. So if you want to find out if the Vampire Facelift is for you, you can find us online at RejuvenationMDmedspa.com.